Can't believe this shit, man. I was way down there. It's get foggy down here too. At night, I guess, but it's getting foggy. I was way down there, flying my damn drone. Way down there somewhere. Look at this, coming back over this goddamn roof. All these stupid ass seagulls right here. Guess what happened? Them bitches attacked my shit. I had to walk all the way back there. Luckily, I got away from the water. And they dropped in it. They broke my shit. Assholes. And I gotta walk way back. Oh my God. Well, at least I found it though.